Hello, what is your name?
My name is Masaki.
Hi, Masaki. Today we are going to learn how to set up a Next.js project. The goal is for you to be able to install a Next.js starter app. Do you have Node.js version 18.18 or later installed?
So how do I check that?
You can open your terminal and run node-v to see the version. Do you have it installed?
Okay, Node-v and it return as version 20.9. Is that good?
Yes, version 20. 9 is good. Now, let's move on to the automatic installation. Please open your terminal and run the command npx create-next-app at latest. Can you do that?
All right, I just type in the command and now it's asking me what is my project name.
Okay, give your project a name. What do you want to call it?
I will put my-app.
Okay, after you put the project name, it will ask you some questions. The next one is about TypeScript. What do you want to choose?
I'm going to use TypeScript. So I should say yes.
Okay, it will ask about ESLint. What is your choice?
What is ESLint? What does it do?
ESLint is a tool for finding and fixing problems in your code. It helps you write better code. Do you want to use it?
Looks like it's a good one, so I'm going to use it.
Good. Next, it's asking you about Tailwind CSS. What do you want to do about that?
I'm going to use it.
Okay. Next question is about the src directory. What do you want to choose?
I will use src directory, so I'm going to say yes.
Okay, the next question is about the app router. What is your choice?
I'm going to use app router.
Okay, the last question is about TurboPack. What do you want to choose?
So what is TurboPack?
TurboPack is a fast bundler, which is a tool that puts all your code together. It makes your project faster. Do you want to use it?
Yeah, I should use it.
Okay, great. Now the installation is complete. The next step is to go to your project directory. Can you do that?
It's still asking me a question about import alias. What should I do here?
Oh, sorry. I missed that one. For the import alias, you can just press enter to use the default setting. Then you can move to your project directory. Can you do that now?
Yes, it's still running. The installation is still running. So can you hold, please?
Okay, I will wait.
Looks like it's done.
Okay, great. Now go to your project directory using the command cd myapp and then execute the command npm run dev. Can you do that?
So npm run dev. Okay. Yeah, looks like it's up and running.
Great. Now visit hitatp://localhost port 3000 in your browser. Do you see your Next.js app?
So I should go to localhost port 3000.
Yes, that is correct. Do you see your Next.js app?
Yes, it's up and running.
Perfect. You have successfully installed a Next.js starter app. Now let's wrap up. You didn't make any mistakes in English this time. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, great. I used have as in, do you have it installed? Put as in, I will put my app. Do as in, what does it do? Go as in, go to your project directory. And see as in, do you see your Next.js app? This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.